Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So to change the watch face, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change or download additional watch faces. So let's bring the phone that is paired with our watch. Zoom out the camera. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Glory Fit Pro application. And the app, you can tap on device, and here you should see your Stratos 2 Ultra, and under it you will see this watch face market, and you can tap on more to open the whole market, and here you have different categories of the watch faces. You can scroll through them, look for something you like. It takes a while for it to load for some reason, I don't know why, but it should be working now. Okay, here we have it. So look for the watch face, and once you find something you're interested in, you can tap on watch face, then tap on sync watch face. It will start downloading and syncing to your watch, and once it's done syncing, it will be applied on your watch. And here we have it. As you can see, the watch face has been applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.